Join me as I make my detoxifying short. It is always good for us to detoxify our system now and then. And our ingredients are, we have our cucumber, we have our lemon, we have our orange, and we have our ginger. And there are two ways you can do this and get the same result, either using your juicer or using your blender. But in this tutorial, we're using our juicer, okay? But you can as well use your blender. All you just need to do is to blend your ingredients, use a sieve to sieve out the shaft, and your detox is ready. And this is me cutting our cucumber and extracting the juice with our juicer. There's one thing I love about this juicer is that it separates the shaft already from the juice and retains the juice from our ingredients, okay? And this is me adding our oranges back to the juicer to extract the juice as well. Yes, after extracting it, but before now, I've already extracted our juice from our lemon already before now, okay? And this is me adding our orange to extract the juice. After that, we add our ginger. Yes, it's very important to add our ginger. We added our ginger and extracted the juice as well from the ginger, and our detox is ready. As you can see, it is very, very ready, and it's very simple and easy to make, okay? All you just need to do is to take this every morning for 7 days. Yes, take it every morning for 7 days and your system will be detoxified. Yes, I said that. Don't forget to always share our video, drop your comment, like and subscribe to our channel as well, okay? See you guys till we come your way next time. Bye.